Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video. Here we are at Ikire, and I'm taking you on how they make the popular DODO IKIRE. Getting to this particular spot where they make DODO IKIRE. Can you see me? I like banana. So they are like peeling this banana to make DODO IKIRE, and I can't just resist not eating this banana. I was just eating and peeling. The banana was so much. So to make the DODO IKIRE, they make use of ripe good banana. And guys, I just want to show you that yes, the real banana. This is the real ripe banana. The normal, okay, this is, like I say, we have two types of banana. This is the local one. There's this other one that looks soft and is like water. So they are using this particular banana. After they've peeled and remove it, then the next thing they are going to do, they have their groundnut oil on pots on it, and they pour in the peeled banana. You could wonder. So after they've poured in, then they start the mixing. So this mixing takes a very long time for it to mix, and the spoon is a different types of spoon that they use in mixing the banana. So they have to mix it to make sure that it doesn't get burned. So it's a process they do over and over again. After they've poured the first set, so that it's going to be much, then they pour in another set. Like this one, they've just put in new one, and the way they fry it, they match it and turn it. So these are the turn and they match it, and they keep frying. It's a long process though, but you could see that making of DODO IKIRE is so easy and it's so simple. And this is a business you can venture into. You can come around to ask and buy from the source and also make money. You make your profit. There's a way they sell that you're going to make your profit as you start this business. You can travel down to Ikire. Ikire is in Osun State, and Osun State is after Oyo State. Just tell them you're going to Ikire, and there's a particular area that you will see a lot of them frying, making DODO IKIRE from morning till night. This is what they do. This is what they do from morning till night. So they match it like this with a special spoon, and turn it and start frying. It needs a lot of groundnut oil. They'll fry it until they fry real deep fry, and they keep frying for a very long time. Guys, if you're watching my YouTube video, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to Oju or Lakpe Space. Don't forget to share this video, and if you want more of this wonderful content, you can just put it in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this type of content. If you want me to be taking you around to different states, what they do, what they specialize in, especially when it comes to what they produce in that particular state or that town, you can just put it in the comment section so that I will do more of this beautiful video. Now they have to do this over and over and turn. You can see even the one they pour the fresh banana that's really mixed. This a very long process. It's not just a 5 minutes or 2 minutes process. It takes a very long time. So I have to sit back and watch how it's going to get ready, so that I will show you guys that look, this is the real DODO IKIRE. If you have been eating DODO IKIRE and you've not taste from this town gongon that they call, that's making it, then you've not tasted anything called DODO IKIRE. So from here they keep mixing and turning and turning and turning and turning all over again without stopping. So there's a long process, like I told you. Just if you're doing this yourself, you have to do it, and be patient with it. It's not something you do for 2 seconds or 5 minutes. It takes hours for it to get ready. You just have to be patient. And then another thing is the mixing part. You have to keep mixing. You don't mix and you don't put it on it and you sit down. You have to continue mixing and mixing. So guys, I'm just checking every spot that they make this DODO IKIRE in Ikire, and they have a lot of them. This is what they specialize in, and I'm just trying to take you guys along on Ekushema, on as in the places that they make this DODO IKIRE. This is Ikire, and they make their dodo here. So guys, just come, let's see how they prepare. Hello guys, I'm at a popular place where they make DODO IKIRE, and guys, this is what they do here. Okay, they don't want me to show their face. I'm not showing anybody's face. It's just my face, only my face. So this is the I think this is the banana. I don't think they use plantain. This is banana that they've just put on it, and this is freshly poured. Most of the women at this Ikire are doing this DODO IKIRE for their business, and I was just like so amazed at what they are doing. Everybody with their own stand, and I realized that they have lots of banana in that town. That's why they are able to convert their banana. So after several hours, this is what you are going to achieve. They are going to fry it until it turns black. Not golden, I mean black. They will turn and mix and turn until it gets black. So I have to move around and see. Then once it is ready, they just add salt. Not so much, but just little salt to give it taste. If you taste this DODO IKIRE, oh my god, you can finish everything in this bowl. It's so sweet. Oh no, I love it. I like it because I was just eating for a taste. It's so sweet. I just don't know. It's so sweet and it's so nice, and they did it well. Although, like before, they used to say that you can do DODO IKIRE with spoiled plantain. Now they don't use spoiled plantain. They use banana, and it's not spoiled banana. Real good banana, ripe banana. That is what they use. They don't use spoiled banana or spoiled plantain. They've now make it in such a way that you keep coming back to buy this DODO IKIRE. So after because of the salt, they are like to still stay on it, and once it has really mixed, then the job is done. They pack out the packet from the heat. They pack it out for molding. They pack it out for molding. So that is what she's doing. The heat here is not a joke, but the taste of this DODO IKIRE is something you want to taste, or you want to eat and eat again. I like it. I love it. It tastes so fine and it tastes so good. And you'll be so shocked that even before they finish frying, they have a lot of vendors, dodo ikire seller, waiting for this dodo ikire to be ready. So they have more than enough customer to buy from them. So they don't just process it and keep it and said, oh, they are waiting for customer. No, even they have people that have dropped money for the dodo ikire, and after immediately they put it down from the heat. Once they put it down from it, it's time for them to mold it, and they have to start molding now since it's hot. They don't allow it to get cold, so they make sure that they, what she's doing, she's trying to make sure that the groundnut oil, she's pressing the groundnut oil out, because it's very hot. When you press it, it's going to come out. And this is how it looks like. Then they have this funnel like structure that they use in the measurement, and this small stick, so they just press it and bring it out to give the shape. So this is the popular shapes you see, and they don't use their hand to mold it. This is how they do it. They just pour it inside the funnel, press it and bring it out. It's going to give them this a particular shape. And this dodo ikire, you can add pepper to it if you want to. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till I see my next video, eat dodo ikire. You will like it. Bye.